Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick little unboxing. I have my two kids with me. We're sitting here. It's evening time. There's no good lighting. There's no sunlight behind me, so I apologize for the poor lighting. We're sitting here literally in our pajamas and just doing this quick little unboxing for you all. Please watch till the end because I've got a really fun surprise that I'm going to share with you, and I think you will be excited to hear the news. So I have my Louis Vuitton pochette accessoire sitting right here. This is a really versatile piece. I did a video not too long ago showing what fits inside. I also did a video showing 6 different ways that I style this bag. It is really functional and really versatile. So if you missed those videos, I will link them down below in the description box so you can go check them out. This beautiful gold chain did not come with the pouch. I purchased this from a place called Organize My Bag. They have a website. They're also available on Etsy, and they're also on Instagram. So I bought this just based on my own personal research. I stumbled upon them, and this gold chain I thought really matched the Louis Vuitton gold hardware almost perfectly, or I mean perfectly in my mind. And this style chain reminded me of the original chain on the Felici pouch. So all in all, I just felt like it worked. It really went together with the pochette accessoire, and I purchased the 43-inch. I mentioned this a while back. I am 5 foot 5 inches tall, and this works perfectly for me on the shoulder, crossbody, and then I double it up and I triple it up for fun. If you double it up, it works really nicely as a short shoulder strap, and then if you triple it up like this, I think it's just really fun to grab and go. I have some mod shots on my Instagram page. It's the same name as my channel, Hello Catwalk City, if you want to go check that out. So let me just get to this quick little unboxing here. So we've got 3 little goodies from Organize My Bag. It comes in that pretty little gold pouch, and we've got bag number 1, 2, 3. And you'll find out soon why my kids are sitting with me, because 2 of these are for them and 1 is for me. So let's see what's in bag number 1. You guys can't hear this, but there's like giggling going on right behind the camera. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh. So this is a fluffy, cute little pom-pom keychain that I ordered for my daughter. Da, 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 da. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. So honey, do you want to pass me your Coach wristlet? So for those of you who've been on my channel before, you know that I purchased this Coach wristlet for my daughter's 10th birthday recently, and I thought pink on pink, how cute. So let's see how it looks. And I'm just doing this in case you also have a lot of pink bags or pouches and you want to see what it looks like in terms of, you know, the just how it looks. So here you go. Oh, it's so cute. And actually, I think it adds just a bit more fun and a bit more pop to the pouch. It's not just a little wristlet anymore. It's got pizzazz to it. So it's really, really cute. Okay, and then I'll also show you on a different pink piece that also belongs to my daughter. Can you pass me your bag? Okay, so this is like a little mini wannabe Hermes dupe that I got from Amazon probably 2 years ago or so. It was only like $20 or $25. Some of you saw this on my IG stories not too long ago and asked me if I could link it or where did I get it. It's from Amazon, but I can't seem to find it anymore. It's really cute. It has a top handle and a removable crossbody strap. It's the perfect size for, you know, a little girl. It's for a kid, and it's got an actual turn lock. How cute is that? Okay, so I'm going to show you what this looks like on maybe over here. Whoops. By the way, as I'm doing this, I just have to say, you're probably sick of my blue nail polish. I've been filming a lot lately because there's just a lot going on at the moment, and YouTube is my happy place. So I come here and I hope that it is a happy place for many of you as well. And I have not changed out my polish, so it's been this pastel blue for the last like 5 videos. I hope you don't mind. I will be switching it out soon to a different color. So look at that. How cute. It looks really cute. And of course, you can put it on non-pink items too. By the way, I will link all of these in the description box, and I'll also put all of the prices so you can see. But even on here, look how that would look here. How fun! Adorable. Okay, so let me quickly move on. This is going to be over here, and then dun, 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 bag number 2. This one is for my son. He loves like gadgets and chains and locks and building, and he's very inventive and really creative. So he wanted when he saw this, he said he wanted a gold chain, but a very specific kind. He had a very specific kind in mind, and we found it. So look at this beautiful gold chain. A lot of people I noticed buy this kind of chain for their mini Palm Springs backpack, which I don't own. But how cute is this? You can put your keys on one side, you can hook it. You can probably put this on a lot of different bags. Look at it. So, honey, do you want to help by taking the chain off of this pochette?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. So I'll give you a close-up. I don't know the exact length, but like I said, I will link all of the items in the description box so you can go look them up and check out the dimensions and the length and all of that. Give you a close-up. So that is item number 2. And then finally, bag number 3. This is a newer item that they introduced from Organize My Bag. And it is, dun, 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 dun. It is a beautiful Vachetta strap. It's a long strap that I can wear with my pochette accessoire. And typically with my pochette, I'm using the gold chain that I showed you before. Or, of course, it comes with a shorter Vachetta strap that is like a short shoulder strap. And sometimes I put my Pochette Matisse monogram strap on it and it looks super cute. But I thought this would be really nice because it matches the Vachetta. So if you can pass that to me. Thank you, honey. So my son kindly took off the gold chain. And you can see here it's Vachetta on Vachetta. I sprayed all of this with Apple Guard. I do that with all of my Vachetta just because I don't want to get watermarks and staining and I want to protect it. But let's see what this looks like. And I think I have to do something to this to connect it. Yeah, it's not connected through the holes, but let's just imagine it is connected and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes, which is really good, adjustable for pretty much any height. So while I'm not a huge fan of Vachetta because you kind of have to be a little careful. You know what? Let me take that back. Once you spray it with the Apple Guard, I am so carefree. I wear this stuff in the rain. Even my Pochette Matisse with the top handle being Vachetta, I wear it out in the rain, in bad weather, and it's totally fine. So I'm going to take that back. It's totally not high maintenance. So look at that. It gives a very different look. I feel like it gives it a lighter, more casual vibe. It definitely has a different look than wearing it with my monogram Pochette Matisse strap because that is darker like this. It's got the dark brown. But the light Vachetta, I don't know. And then over time when it patinas, it'll have that beautiful kind of like burnt orange look. So yep, this was the goodie I got for myself. So 1, 2, 3, kind of sharing is caring, including my kids. Now let me share with you. We are including you in this process in this video. So there's going to be a giveaway. So Organize My Bag was really generous in offering 3 gift cards to give away, each at the value of $100. So $100 gift card times 3. There will be 3 winners. And all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and also follow Organize My Bag on Instagram. So it's 2 follows. Really simple. And just comment down below and let us know why you'd like to win. So what's today's date, guys?
June 8th.
Okay, it's June 8th. I probably won't be uploading this for a few days because I've got a lot of other videos queued up. So let's say the giveaway runs through June 25th to be safe. June 25th. So the giveaway will run through June 25th, and then the winners, the 3 winners, will. Why am I stumbling and babbling like this? My kids are staring at me. Okay, so June 25th, the giveaway will end, and then we will announce all 3 winners on Instagram stories. So be sure to follow me if you're not already doing so, and also follow this awesome company, Organize My Bag, and comment down below. Let us know why you would like to win one of the $100 gift cards I think I know why you'd like to win, because they have such awesome chains and straps and accessories as I just showed you, and you can go pick what you want with the $100. So like my kids are having fun with their goodies. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love for you to join. We do luxury designer content. We also share handbags and accessories from high quality brands that are also lesser known and at different price points. And also I'm starting to get addicted to giveaways. I think we did about 7 or 8 giveaways in the past year. I just started my channel last year, and I love the feeling of doing giveaways. So I'm really excited to do this and to partner with Organize My Bag. And I have another giveaway coming in July, so stay tuned for that. Hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Do you guys want to say bye?